Hello friends, in this video, we will discuss the JIO-VIVO cashback offer. We will cover what is the offer all about and how does it work. Customers who purchase new Vivo handsets can now avail up to 1200 rupees Jio cashback and additional 120 GB 4G data. This offer is applicable on recharge plans of 198 rupees and 299 rupees, which come with 2 GB per day and 3 GB per day 4G data respectively, and with a validity period of 28 days. Vivo customers receive special benefits on recharge plans of 198 rupees and 299 rupees, which include instant cashback of 600 rupees. Jio Money benefits up to 600 rupees and additional 120 GB Jio 4G data. Now, we will discuss each benefit in detail, starting with instant cashback and additional data benefits. For recharge plans of 198 and 299, customers get 12 instant cashback vouchers of 50 rupees each, which can be redeemed for the next 12 recharge cycles. Not only that, the customers also get additional 10 GB data for the first 12 recharge cycles. The 50 rupees cashback vouchers can be redeemed through the MyJio app. The additional data of 10 GB can also be redeemed through the MyJio app. To summarize, customers actually pay only 148 rupees for the 198 plan and get 2 GB data per day along with additional 10 GB 4G data. Similarly, customers actually pay 249 rupees for the 299 plan and get 3 GB data per day along with additional 10 GB 4G data. And last but not the least, customers also get Jio Money credit of 200 rupees for recharge of 198 and 600 rupees for recharge of 299 post 13th recharge. Now, let's see how to get the cashback benefits on MyJio app. First, log into the MyJio app and tap on the recharge icon from the quick links. Then, select the appropriate recharge plan. In this case, 198 rupees or 299 rupees, and then click Buy. You will notice that the 50 rupees instant cashback offer is automatically applied. You will also notice the number of vouchers that are left to be redeemed by the customer. Now, let us see the steps to redeem the additional 10 GB data voucher. This additional data can be redeemed immediately after the first month's recharge and for the next 12 recharge cycles. For this, log on the MyJio app and scroll down to the My Voucher section. Then, tap on the Redeem icon in the My Voucher section. Then, tap Redeem at the bottom to complete the redemption process. Then, tap Confirm at the bottom to confirm the redemption process. The successfully recharged message on the screen signifies that the redemption process has been completed. Tap on Done to exit.